Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights on top quality products in the market. Today, we've got something special for you, the One Audio A70 Bluetooth over-ear headphones, which we consider to be the best headphones for Skype and a versatile audio companion for various activities. Let's dive right in. The One Audio A70 headphones are more than just your average pair of headphones. They offer exceptional sound quality, unparalleled versatility, and a sleek design that's sure to catch your eye. These headphones are designed to excel in various situations, making them the perfect choice for both professionals and music enthusiasts alike. First and foremost, let's talk about sound quality. The One Audio A70 headphones are equipped with custom-made aluminum fascia and 40mm neodymium drivers. What does that mean? It means you'll experience powerful bass and dynamic stereo sound that captures every detail of your music in stunning quality. Whether you're on a Skype call, listening to music, or watching videos, you'll be immersed in high-resolution audio. Now, here's where the versatility kicks in. These headphones offer both wireless and wired modes. In wireless mode, you can enjoy an impressive 72 hours of playtime on a single charge. But what sets these headphones apart is their ability to switch seamlessly to wired mode using the included 2 audio jack cables. With wired mode, you'll never have to worry about running out of power. Comfort is essential during long listening sessions, and the One Audio A70 headphones have that covered. Their over-ear, ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit, and the rotatable and foldable structure allows for a proper fit and excellent sound isolation. Soft memory cotton and skin-friendly protein leather add to the comfort factor, making them perfect for extended use. Plus, the foldable headband saves space and makes them easy to carry. Here's a unique feature: the ability to share your music or videos with others. You can pair the main headphones with your device via Bluetooth or connect them with a 3.5mm audio cable. Then, plug the 6.35mm jack into the main headphones and the 3.5mm jack into additional headphones for a seamless audio sharing experience. It's perfect for watching movies with a friend or sharing a playlist. To ensure a stable connection, One Audio has added a jack lock system to the aux plug. That means you can confidently connect the jacks and sockets without worrying about your connection getting lost. In conclusion, the One Audio A70 Bluetooth over-ear headphones are a sound lover's dream. With exceptional sound quality, wireless and wired modes, comfort, and a design that screams sophistication, these headphones are a fantastic choice for a wide range of activities. Whether you're working, gaming, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes, these headphones have got you covered. That's a wrap for today's review of the One Audio A70 Bluetooth over-ear headphones. If you're in the market for top-quality headphones that won't break the bank, look no further. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and leave your comments down below. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting product critiques.